that this gentleman right here was walking around hitting himself in the nuts with a baton. But we're not going to talk about that today, though. Curtis, C-squared, that is. So nice to finally meet you. All right, talk to us about what you have going on. And then I want you to introduce yourself last. Because, guys, he's going to tell you a little bit about voice acting and how he got into it.
Yeah, so it was, I've done voice acting not voice acting, but I've done different character voices my entire life. Like, as a child, you know, I really started doing the Joker and everything, just to mess with my little sister and all that. And other kids in class, I'd sit there and mess with my teachers. And then I went to work at Taco Bell late at night messing with stoners. Was just absolutely amazing. They'd sit there and say, "Is that the Joker talking to us?" I'm like, "Yes, you want to order something or what?"
Wow, like, so Curtis, okay. How did it start, though? Did you just, like, start mimicking characters as a kid? Or, I mean...
That's how it was, and, like, I mainly just did it as a thing just to entertain myself as a hobby, and I did it for, like, my friends' kids, my nieces and nephews.
Understood.
And I had people telling me for years, you should do voice acting, you should go into it, you're very good. And it was just always just a confidence thing. I said, no, I wouldn't be any good. Then COVID hit, and I'm sitting at home. I had never looked up voice acting, and a voice acting competition popped up on Facebook one day. And I figured, let's give this a shot. I didn't come close to winning, but I went a few rounds.
It doesn't even matter. Guys, you hear what he said? He didn't come close to winning, but he won a few rounds. You won.
Yeah.
That's period. You won. And Curtis, your personality, the way you introduce yourself and the way you present yourself, guys, he's a study in leadership. So if you want to learn more about voice acting, check out Curt Voices on Instagram. But Curt, what other voices do you like to do, or do you find yourself doing often?
Well, so one of the things that I do, and I tell people a lot, like when they ask about different character voices, you know, it just depends. If you can do one voice, you can do others. Like, you know, if you can do, "Hi son, Mr. Dada Binks," you can turn around and sit there and go, "Well, I'm Meatwad by the Aqua Teen Hunger Force. I don't even know what the hell is going on over here, man." Or, "Hey, they took my precious from me. They took my ring from me."
Y'all, this is crazy. Like, you are Robin Williams reincarnated. I swear you are.
You're not the first person to tell me that.
Guys, listen. Y'all better stay up because he is making it happen and he's going all the way up. Curt, it is so nice to finally meet you.
It was nice to finally meet you.
Working with you in the future. Guys, check out Curt Voices. If you have children that want to tap into their voice, hit up Curt Voices. I'm pretty sure he has something in store for you. Follow him, Curt, CURT Voices on Instagram and all of the platforms. It's your girl Lily Mae and we're signing out.